Hey guys, this is Laknara Education. Today we are going to learn about the conversion between decimal and octal numbers. So today we'll go through both normal numbers and the numbers with decimal or octal points. So let's get started. First, let us get to know how to convert a decimal to an octal number. To convert a decimal number to octal, divide it by 8 and record the remainder. Keep dividing the quotient by 8 until it becomes 0. Finally, write the remainders in reverse order. For example, let us convert 65 into octal. Dividing by 8 gives a remainder of 1. We continue dividing and get remainders of 0 and 1. Writing these in reverse, the octal number is 101. And now let us see how to convert a decimal number to an octal number with decimal points. For numbers with decimal points, we separate the whole and the decimal part. Convert the whole number as usual. For the decimal part, multiply it by 8 and record the integer part. Repeat with the new decimal until it becomes 0 or you reach the desired precision. For example, we get 65.375 becomes 101.3 in octal. And now let us learn how to convert an octal number to a decimal number. It is super easy. So, to convert an octal number to decimal, write each digit as a power of 8. Starting from 8 to power of 0 for the rightmost digit. Multiply each digit by its power of 8 and add the results. For instance, converting 101 to decimal gives us 64 plus 0 plus 1, which equals to 65. And lastly, we are going to learn how to convert an octal to decimal with octal points. For octal numbers with fractional parts, convert the whole number as before. For the fractional part, multiply each digit by 8 raised to its negative position and sum them up. For example, 101.3 in octal to decimal. So it's become 65.375 in decimal. Guys, in this lesson, we have learned how to convert decimal to octal and octal to decimal, covering both normal numbers and numbers with fractional parts. I hope you found it simple and helpful. So, thanks for watching.